Okay, so this is my website. The name of it is just my name, so caseyag.com. And what I decided to do is I just recently opened up a clothing, like a vintage clothing website or store on Instagram, and I figured that I would take what I've learned from this class and kind of start to build a website for that. And so this is just kind of like a rough draft of what I'm thinking of doing. So here I have a header of me modeling some of the clothes that I am going to be selling. And I have the name of the store called One Time Find, and it's vintage and thrift finds. So I did a couple of tabs here. So we have home, inspiration, cart, my account, and about us. So eventually I'm hoping to be able to make this a place where people can like shop and like check out and things like that. So first, in the home, we just have a little bit about One Time Find and where to find me on Instagram and Facebook, and then I just put in a couple of pictures of just like some clothing and just some inspiration. So there's those pictures, super fun. Okay. And then we have inspiration, and here I just kind of put in like where I find inspiration, and then I put in a couple of pictures of some inspiration that I look at and find when I'm looking for clothes to sell and things like that, how to style outfits. So I put a little bit about that, and then I have a little about me here with a picture of myself and my name. And then this is going to be like where you shop and where your clothing items will be. I haven't had that set up yet. And then same with my account. And then with the About Us tab, so I just wrote down briefly the idea where a One Time Find came from and how that started, kind of the story behind it. And then I included the logo that I drew for the brand here. So yeah, I really love the layout of it. I feel like it's very clean and simple. It has a lot of like the colors of my brand on here. And I really enjoy it. One of the easiest things, I think the thing that I learned the most here is just like how to make a website look sleek and well designed. And I think the thing that I'm having a little bit of trouble with is just like figuring out how to set up things that people would actually buy. So like a shop page and having like individual items listed for sale. I think I'm having a little bit of trouble with that, but I'm hoping to get it down soon. So thanks, guys.